We are making this video today to show you how to make these funny baby videos using Nigerian accent or any accent of your choice to make them funny. Yes, you heard me right. You can use any accent of your choice. For this video, we are going to use Nigerian accent to make it. So if you want to use any other accent, I will still show you how to do it. First of all, I need you to have Grok. Yes, go and have Grok downloaded on your phone. Grok is Grok. Go and download it. It is that AI tool that is attached to X. So go and download it because that is what we are going to be using. Now that you have the Grok downloaded on your phone, let's go and use Grok to create these videos. We will make it sound exactly as you want. Let's go. Before I went on Grok, I first of all went to ChatGPT because it is ChatGPT that will give me the prompt that I need, because it's ChatGPT that will give me the prompt that I need. I went on ChatGPT. So I went on ChatGPT and I said, I want to create the viral talking baby clips with Nigerian kids. Give me 3 funny prompts for Grok Imagine. If you are not Nigerian and you want to create with your culture, you need to say, I want to create the viral talking baby clips with, you put the culture that you want. Again, you don't have to be Nigerian to create Nigerian kids, create these videos with Nigerian kids. Of course, any culture of your choice, even if you're a Nigerian, you want to use another culture to do it, is up to you, okay? So just put it there. Tell ChatGPT the culture of the babies you want to use. If you want to use Oyibo children, if you want to use Niger, if you want to use Indian, anyone that you want, just tell ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will give you all the prompts that you can use. Then I went ahead to say, what should the kids say? So ChatGPT also tell me what the kids would say. If you are not that person that is very funny, but you just want you want the kids to sound funny, you can ask ChatGPT to give you an idea of what the kids would say, okay? But if you have an idea of what you want the kids to say, there is no need asking ChatGPT of what they will say. You already know what you will tell them to say. So Chat has given me the prompts. Chat was able to create only 2 images for me. 2 or 3. He was able to create 3 images for me. So I went to Microsoft Copilot to make photos as well. So I went to Copilot to make this one. You can see. So it was Copilot that gave me this one. So it's not just about ChatGPT all the time. When I finished with all this image creation, I still went on ChatGPT. This is Grok. This is Grok. What we need to do now is to click on create videos. You can see that place where they say create videos. So when you click on that, tap on this image icon by the side of type to imagine. Click on type that place. Then what you need to do again is to add the baby picture that you want. Then when it is loading, go on ChatGPT and copy that thing you want it to say. But if you have what you want it to say at heart, then you don't need to go back to ChatGPT again. But because I don't know, or maybe I could just imagine, so I'm going to say in where they say type to customize video, you are going to say in a Nigerian voice. So this is where you tell it the voice it will use. If you wanted to say it in Indian voice, you can say in Indian voice. So in a Nigerian voice, make the kid say, ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is my home country and I love so much, no matter the wahala. No matter the wahala. Okay? So after typing it, you will just send it in and wait. You send it in and wait. Because I have created about 3 videos already, it's not going to work now. But let me show you the ones I have made already. But this is how to make it. It will allow me to create more videos again tomorrow. So let me show you the ones I have done already. This is it. It's just transport fare. You don't need to shout. See your voice. It's shaking the TV. You're shouting like NEPA took lights again. It's just transport fare. You don't need to shout. See your voice. It's shaking the TV. Every day has rice. I want shawarma like precious mommy vibe. Even Jollof is tired of me. Auntie Seth no dey smile again. This who send me go school? Every day assignment. Even Auntie Seth no dey smile again. This is how to every day. This is how to make these videos. Don't forget that if you don't like the video that it produced for you, you can always click on this redo and it will redo the video again. So you keep on redoing until you get the best outcome that you like, the one that is perfect for you. All right. All right. So this one didn't create because I have run out of my free plan. It will come back again tomorrow, but this is exactly how to make these videos. All you need to do is to add the picture, click on here to customize, type in what you want them to say and watch them do it. It is funny, it is interesting, and it's very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you find what I do interesting and helpful. Love you. Goodbye. Ciao, ciao.